I have decided to have you create one more page for your main menu. So you're going to make an addition to your listing of your About Me page and your instruction menu page, community building, that sort of thing. I'm going to have you make a page called Feedback that is going to allow me to be able to leave you notes within the site itself about the work that you're doing and about any changes that I might want you to make, or some positive feedback, hopefully, as well. Currently, I leave feedback in the D2L site in the grading program, but I would rather be able to review your work on the site and then go to the feedback section and just write you a note. So in order to do this, it's actually fairly simple. This is the course website, and you'll notice I don't have a feedback button here. Just pretend this is your website. So I'm going to go to Weebly now, close this out, and here I am. I've loaded my course website here, and I'm going to create a new page. Click on the add button, and it's going to be a blog page, not a standard page or one of the other options. So select blog page. I'm going to call this feedback. That'll be the name of the page. Again, I do not want any header on it. And so this is what my blog space is going to look like. Since it's really just going to be a place for me and other students to communicate with you, and it's more of a personal thing and not a real public thing, I'm going to actually remove the author block there. And you can keep the archives option over there if you think you're going to be adding a lot of different blog posts. But I imagine, at least for now in this class, it'll just be one blog posting that you'll make, and then anybody can reply to it, including me, and especially me as your instructor. So I'm going to leave the archives there for now. I always like to get rid of stuff on a page that I'm not going to be using, just to minimize any kind of distracted messages. But I'll keep it there for now. So I am going to now build my blog page like I do my other pages. I'll give it a title. Oops, not there. I'm sorry. This is good. This is a good lesson here. I need to create a blog post on my blog page in order to have something for others to respond to. So I go down to the lower right-hand corner, and you'll see a button called New Post. And you'll click that. This is where you're going to build your post. Now I'm going to call this general post feedback. And I'm going to, like other pages, I'm going to drag a text block down here. And here I'll just write a message to the teacher or the other students. I'll just say, please leave feedback in the space. Please leave feedback about my web space below. And that's all you need to do. When you're ready, once you do this, you can click on the post button. I'll close it, and I will now publish my website. And now it will take you back to the course website here. And you will notice in your menu up along the top now that when you go to more, you may not have the more option. All your pages might just display. But if you do have this option, there will be feedback at the bottom. You click on that, or anybody can click on that. This tells you that you don't have any feedback yet. Click on the comments listing, and here this is where I can leave a reply, leave some information and feedback for you. So that's what you're going to be doing now. So your menu in the next couple of days should end up having another option on it, and that will be the feedback option. And that's it.